So in this episode of Field of View, we are going to be exploring the Chinese market for virtual reality and really explore some hardware that I never even knew existed to this date.
Yeah, we have Nikk Mitchell that is going to take us through the quirkiness of the Chinese hardware, the Chinese markets, and the Chinese VR industry. Nick, what are we going to explore during this podcast, during this episode? What are we going to talk about?
I'm going to share some sad stories about failures in the market, some exciting peeks at unreleased hardware from some of the biggest tech companies in the world, and just let you know why China is a place you should care about if you care about VR.
So don't miss this episode of Field of View. You can see us on YouTube, on Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, and on Spotify and all the major podcast platforms. And come with us and through this incredible journey in the market in China. Bye.